I'm diving into this crazy stat that says 28% of home buyers are committed for life. Can I figure out why that's the case and what it means for us? Home buying trends can be pretty unpredictable, but there's one stat that really caught my attention. 28% of home buyers are committed for life. What does that even mean? Are these people just really attached to their homes, or is there something more to it? When you think about it, buying a home can be a really challenging process. The market is always fluctuating, and interest rates can change overnight. It's enough to give you whiplash. On top of that, there's the emotional aspect of it all. Finding the perfect home that checks all your boxes, dealing with the stress of negotiations, and hoping that your offer gets accepted. It's a roller coaster, to say the least. And once you finally get the keys, there's the added pressure of making this huge investment work for you in the long run. Will the neighborhood stay desirable? Will the property value increase over time? It's a lot of uncertainty, and it can be overwhelming. But despite all these challenges, 28% of home buyers seem to be all in. They're committed to their homes for life. So what's driving this commitment? I think one major factor is the financial investment. Let's be real. Buying a home is a huge expense, and it's not something you can easily walk away from. You've got a significant amount of money tied up in that property, and it's natural to want to make it work. Plus, there's the whole idea of building equity over time, which can be a powerful motivator. Another factor is the emotional attachment we form with our homes. This is more than just a financial investment. It's where we lay our heads at night, where we raise our families, and where we create memories that last a lifetime. It's no wonder people get attached. And then there's the community aspect. When you buy a home, you're not just buying a property, you're buying into a neighborhood, a community, and a way of life. You start to form connections with your neighbors, you get involved in local events, and you start to feel like you're really a part of something. According to experts, this long-term commitment can have a significant impact on the housing market. For one, it can lead to more stability in terms of property values and neighborhood development. It also means that people are more likely to invest in their homes and communities, which can have a ripple effect on the local economy. One study found that homeowners who are committed to their homes for the long haul are more likely to engage in community activities, volunteer their time, and even start local businesses. It's amazing to think about how something as simple as buying a home can have such far-reaching consequences. So, what does this all mean for us? Well, for potential sellers, understanding this level of commitment can be a game changer. It means that there are buyers out there who are willing to make a long-term investment in a property, which can lead to more stable and profitable sales. Thanks for watching, and if you're a home buyer yourself, I'd love to hear about your own experiences in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in real estate,